there's a glare, but it ain't one of my videos if there's not a glare.
Oh, y'all already know where we at. ChickFilA.
We got our mask. We're prepared.
Yeah, locked and loaded.
We ready.
She might have had, and we got the hand sanitizer. Is this ours?
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Good.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
What the fuck is this 2-cup Coke here?
Oh yeah, that's
What the fuck is the point in this shit? Hey, stop shaking. ChickFilA, you disappointed us so far. We're finna see how this is going. Normally ChickFilA comes out on top. Bro, why are they so small now?
what I'm saying.
But y'all charging us $4.
What?
Y'all, them things used to be like this, like thick as fuck. Thick as hell.
There's a big difference.
So thick, it used to make me nervous to look at it.
Okay.
Did they drench those in honey
Yes, they did. We asked for extra honey butter and they actually did it. Oh
butter?
my
We want the
god.
bread falling apart with honey butter. Now we got time to eat. And I watch them. Whenever they open that door, I'm running in there. I will tackle a whore. Nobody going in there before me.
Like, Chick-fil-A always comes through, but today they're failing.
They took these off the menu.
If you watched our last video, then you probably saw.
They took these off the menu. And then this morning we checked and they were back on there.
We were pissed.
So we go get them. I mean, it's tasting okay. It's been better. It really has. A lot of egg. They're open!
If you're in the area, Southern Nails in Attala is the best nail place. They're always quick as hell. But yeah, they get it done right and good.
Okay, I gotta go. This smells like doctor's office.
Look at me satchel.
You stop.
Oh,
Oh, look how cute.
we ran into some Karens that glared at us as we politely said, "Excuse me."
Imagine that. These
Yeah.
and some. Oh my god!
They're cute.
Cute for like.
Oh, look at those right there.
Those are pretty.
Guys, I just found pot in Hobby Lobby. I am disgusted.
You damn marijuana smokers, stay out my way.
They call this a Christian establishment.
These are like travel things now. These are super cute. We're making anklets.
Look at this. No shoes wheels. What about a wheelchair?
Why don't y'all like jeez? Oh my god, let's.
We're headed to Ulta now.
Gotta get some mascara if y'all want to keep watching our makeup videos.
Yeah.
You want some of that?
What? Yeah. Last one.
Last one.
But I got a new one. It's hydrate.
Someone was talking about being pregnant and I got sick. Super hydrating moisturizing may help reduce puffiness and the appearance of dark circles.
I need that. We just left Ulta. Got some mascara.
And a fluffy scrunchie.
Oh yeah, and a scrunchie.
It was way too cute to not get. I'm sorry, I'm pushing it.
No.
It was way too cute to not get. And it's supposed to, my hair is real bad about leaving where I pull it up at. It's supposed to not do that, so we'll see. Panera, here we come. They got a breakfast wrap. I wonder if she'll like that. Bacon, scrambled egg, and tomato, or they got chipotle chicken, scrambled egg, and avocado. You want to try one? You want to try the one with avocado?
I'll try.
Out of the breakfast wraps! Them cinnamon crunch bagels. Mmm.
It was $5 and some change for 4 spreads. Can I get your credit card information?
No. Okay. Thank you too. First of all, I didn't like her attitude. She could have been a little nicer. I'm about to run through this parking lot that's full of water.
$5 for fucking spread.
Oh!
On seatbelts.
Gotta be safe first.
Yeah, wow. Skirt.
I promise my driving ain't that bad.
You have a whole nother lane, get over!
Trying the smoothie. Ooh. These were $1.30 each.
Oh!
Fuck.
That's the cinnamon crunch. Oh my god! That's what I said.
Oh my god.
Come through Panera with that. That shit. That.
Less mad.
Hitting all 5,000 taste buds. Going all the way up. That's good. It was only $3.
Unlike those spreads.
2 spreads equals one of them.
I swear. Total went from $10
To 16 for
to
4 spreads.
16 for 4 spreads. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
If y'all didn't know, I got this from 5 and Below in one of my last videos.
Kill him with kindness. Kill him with kindness.
Go, 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 go. Who's next?
We should.
We would have made a circle. Like, eventually a circle would have joined around us
Yeah.
and created so much energy that we would have levitated into the air.
I don't think.
We're out here taking some pictures. Got a setup going. We got our babies out here. So at Hobby Lobby we picked up these.
2 of the same ones.
Yeah. They're $4.99.
A piece, but they were half off. Hobby Lobby's pretty good about having like half off or 30% off sales, and then we also have these right here. We really like these. Anyways, we're making anklets, bracelets, necklaces. You can use them for whatever. We got them long enough where they could be necklaces, or you could double wrap them around our ankles. We tried it at Hobby Lobby, so we could double wrap around our ankles and make like a cute little anklet.
They're 16 inches, 40 centimeters.
I'm not wearing pants.
I got it.
How'd you do that? That looks like them little breadsticks you be getting in the Chex Mix.
Ooh. Got breadsticks on my mind.
I got Olive Garden on my mind. That should be something good.
Fuck
as
Olive
fuck.
Garden.
Fuck you!
God.
Oh, how cute.
Good God. This is Zoe's. Here's Mom. This is my anklet. Zoe's anklet.